Hi, I'm going to show you in Silhouette Studio how to use the new distress pattern or distress texture to distress your text. You can distress vector images, full designs. You can distress photos, whatever, anything you're looking to distress, you can use this for. So what you're going to do, you're going to take, and you're going to go to File, you're going to go to Open, you're going to open the distress texture, and you're going to, you'll have to bear with me, I'm working, I had to reduce my screen size, so everything's kind of pushed in together. So you're going to go and you're going to take this and you're going to trace it. So you're going to select Trace Area, and you're going to trace all of it. Okay, and then you're going to go Trace. Okay, get that out of the way so I can see what I'm doing. And you're going to take this, delete that. You don't need that anymore. Delete that. And then you're going to take and you're going to type out some text first. And say, we'll type out hello. And let's see if I can grab that with all these things going on. So I'll take this over here, and I will change that to garlic butter. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill this so that you can see exactly what we're doing here. And, oh, it didn't work. Okay, and I'm going to make this bigger so you can see what we're doing. Now, you can, so you can take this pattern or this texture, and you can also, excuse me, you can reduce the size of that or increase the size of that to fit your, what you're looking, the texture you're looking to get. In this case, I'm just going to, make hello bigger. So what you want to do, you want to look at this as if it were a cookie cutter or a stamp. So you need your texture on top. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to bring this to the back, send that to the back, and I'm going to select everything, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to here, and then I'm going to go to Subtract All. So Subtract All, get rid of that. And now, when I move this away, I'll delete that. And there you go. There's your distressed, textured hello. That worked perfect. Have a good day.